Man, good coffee. Good day to you and how you be, everybody. Jan Agosto here and welcome to Taino Inc., man. Oh, I just got my mic. Been waiting for this. Pretty cool. Now, once I edit, I want to see how it really sounds and post it. I believe it's going to sound much better. It's going to cancel a lot of the noises, the dynamic microphone to cancel. There's so much noise around here. It's incredible, man. So today's topic we're going to be talking about is the laser guiding system. You know, very important for screen printers to have that, especially when you're doing other things than just printing t-shirts. The laser guiding system is like the T-square and Sharpie. You're not gonna need the T-square or the Sharpie when you have these laser lights. That lets you set up the palette and all that is perfect, man. And the laser creates this bright crosshair registration that you could just move all over the place. The Anatol Thunder that I have has 4 laser lights, as you see. And these 4 laser lights, you will be able to see it right on top of your palette and also on top of your garment. These laser lights here is that it also helps you do when it's time to do any registration, you know, doing the screens, because you could bring down the screen. As you see, you still see it right there. Once you align it perfectly to your registration mark, it's much easier than trying to see the mark on the bottom. No, it's gonna help you register much faster. The other thing that also will help is those times when you going, these 2x, 3x, 4x's with the laser, you could move that line, towards your right. So that means the middle of your shirt, you want to bring it and align it with that laser light. And then you will know how far to go for the 2X, how far to go to the 3X and 4X. It keeps you very aligned by just following the seam of the shirt. They're not always accurate, but they're around there. It will help you move that 4X as far so that left chest print could be right where it's supposed to be at. That's what I use it for. The other one I use it for is printing on sweatpants. A lot of the logos go a little bit under the pocket, and it has to be in the middle. So as you see, I put the pants right on my palette and then I align it up with the pocket, the front of the pocket. Now I know that all my pants that I print are just gonna be exact, because now I have this little line in the bottom here that lets me know the space from the pocket down where the logo is gonna go and how far, off more towards the middle the logo is gonna be. So every time that you print a sweatpant, it's gonna be exactly. It's not gonna be a one print is gonna be lower and the other one's gonna be higher. A little bit is gonna be more towards the middle, not towards the side. With the laser light system, much easier. The other one I use it for is when I'm doing neck labels. When I do neck labels, I really don't like using the little palette. I guess the palette, the little palette that I use for the sweatpants, because sometimes I do not know if my shirt is really straight. I'd rather use it, turn the shirt around and throw it right into the palette so I could know that my shirt is straight, and then it's easier for me to align the neck label, because now I'm gonna use my guiding system, my laser guiding system, and I'm gonna do the little crosshairs and make sure I do the square exactly where the logo has to go. Every time I put in the shirt, and then I leave the label on. I do not take the label, because the label is gonna guide me where is that middle at. Once I put that shirt there, then I look at the label, I push back the label or tear off the label and then print your neck label. And that's one of the best things, because now all the neck labels, so I've seen a lot of even shirts that I buy in a store with the printed neck label, they're not in the middle, they're more like in the side, or they're a little bit off, and my OCD will not allow that. I have to make sure that is right on the middle, man. Okay, the other one is left chest prints. When it comes to left chest prints, you want to make sure that it's exactly where it's supposed to be at, especially when, like I said before, when you do 2, 3X, you want to make sure it's on the right location. You see, it's the middle, 2 inches, it lets you know, and then comes the logo. It's good to just start with that, and then from there on, you know exactly where it's at. But let's say that you have a shirt with a pocket and you don't have that little metal part that goes inside the pocket to lift up so you could print on it. If you don't have that, you still could print those left pockets. All you have to do is use the laser light, align it in the pocket, make sure that it's not touching the seam where, you know, it's nice and flat. Get a little squeegee that fits that pocket. You got one, cut it up and pass it, and it will work if it's a one color print, man. So now let me go and show you. Did this job 5 days ago, and it's these jackets that have these seams on the back, on the left and on the right and on the bottom. And I have to place this little logo right there. And without these laser lights, you're really not gonna be so accurate because different sizes of the shirt. So you wanna make sure it falls right there. So here's a little B-roll of me printing these jackets with the seam. And check it out. Let's do this. As you see, those jackets came out fire, man. And I did the t-shirt. The t-shirt had a bigger logo, but with these jackets, I had to use my measuring tape to make sure that I got the proper size of the logo, that it's not too big or it's too small. Just perfect there where my squeegee is gonna pass through there and it's not gonna touch those two seams. That's how you print when it comes to these jackets. That one was I think double layer. You know, I didn't need to flash because polyester, just one pass goes right through, but those jackets came out nice. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Get those laser lights so you could expand and do other stuff and make sure that it's done correctly, man. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.